So today I'll be guiding you through on how to send pictures as a document on WhatsApp in order to maintain the quality of the picture. For that, if today is the first time visiting my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to share this video with your friends. So let me go to my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Let's assume that I want to send this particular message to. Let me assume I want to send a message to this person as a document. So what I need to do is just to click on the. Normally, if I click on this photo icon now, it's going to send the image as normal as the image as it is. So in order to avoid that, I will click on this particular icon here. I will click on document. Once I click on document now, then I will browse the document from gallery. See, select original quality photo or service. So I can browse the photo from my gallery depending on where the location of the photo is. So let me select this, then I will go back. As you can see, the file is 170 kilobytes. So let me send this and you see how it appears on WhatsApp. So this is how this photo appears on WhatsApp. It appears as a document and it retains the quality of this particular photo. So let's assume that I send this photo normally from here. It's just to go and look for the picture, and this will take time. This will actually take time. So I'll just this is a video. Don't want to send video. Let me send this particular image. So you see how it appears. So this particular image appears like this, but the one I send as a doc appears like this. So this one that appears like this is of high quality than this that appears in full picture. So that's how we can be able to send pictures as document to retain the quality on WhatsApp. If you learn anything from this particular video, please do always to share this video with your friends and family, and leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching this video.